Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Vida Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education. And students, now today in this session, we are going to learn one of the grammar topic, right? કે આપણે લોકો already we have understood the chapter. Now let's learn something new. હવે આપણે લોકો કંઈક નવું learn કરીએ. So today we are going to learn the grammar topic and the name is pronouns. So before that, before starting with pronouns, let us understand that what do you mean by nouns? કે nouns શું છે? Nouns is a name of person, place, animal or thing. Noun is a name of a person, a place, animal or a thing. If I say that Ram is a boy, so Ram over there is a noun, and even boy is also a noun. So now why we are using these nouns? If I am continuously speaking the same name, Ram is a boy, Ram is a good boy, Ram is very smart. So in the sentence I am repeatedly using the word Ram, Ram, Ram. So does it looks good? તે સારું લાગે છે? No, I know that it does not look good. Continuously if you are speaking that name again and again, it will not look good. So to avoid that repetition, કે એ word નું repetition આપણે વારંવાર ના કરીએ, for that reason we are going to learn pronouns. કે આપણે એના માટે repetitions ને avoid કરવા અને એની place પર આપણે શું લખવું. Now that we are going to learn with the help of pronouns. So now let us understand first the definition of pronoun. Pronoun, it is a word, used in place of nouns. So what do you mean by pronoun? That pronoun, it is a word used in place of nouns. કે noun ની place પર આપણે જે word નો use કરી છી, that word is known as pronoun. So first let's start with which are the pronouns. Pronouns કોને કહેવાય? So for boy હોય તો boy ની place પર આપણે શું લખી દઈએ? We will write he. For girl, she. Then after, for things or animals, we'll write it. Then after you, we, they. So he, she, it, you, we, they, these all are pronouns. So students, આપણે જ્યારે કોઈ two persons ની વાત કરી છે કે સીતા and ગીતા are playing together, એટલે two persons ની વાત થઈ. The two persons આવે ત્યારે plural form માં શું આપણે use કરી છે? We, or we are using they, right? Now let us understand this with the help of example. Give you an example that Ram and Shyam are going to market. Then after Ram and Shyam are playing, Ram and Shyam are studying, then after Ram and Shyam are watching TV. So now students, you can see over here that I have written Ram and Shyam are going to market. કે રામ અને શ્યામ છે वो लोग मार्केट जा रहे हैं. Then Ram and Shyam are playing, કે લોકો રમે છે. Ram and Shyam are studying, કે લોકો સ્ટડી કરે છે. Then Ram and Shyam are watching TV, કે લોકો ટીવી જોવે છે. Now you can see that I have written Ram and Shyam each and every time. Now students, if I say that you will be charged, કે તમને લોકોને એવું હોય કે કોઈને મેસેજ સેન્ડ કરવાનો છે and you have typed this message, તમે લોકો આ મેસેજ ટાઈપ કરો, ઓકે? then after કે તમને લોકોને એમ કે એક વર્ડનો તમને 1 રૂપિયા ચાર્જ કરવાનો થશે. if you are writing one word then you have to charge 1 rupee. તો તમે શું કરશો? it will cost high ને, તમને બહુ cost high પડી જશે. so it was just an example, okay? so for this you can see કે આપણે લોકો અહીંયા કેટલા બધી વાર રામ એન્ડ શ્યામનું રિપીટેશન કર્યું છે. we have used so many times and Ram and Shyam are now, right? now as to avoid this repetition, કે આપણે આ નેમનું રિપીટેશન ને avoid means ઈ રિપીટ ના કરવું હોય તો આપણે કયા વર્ડ્સનો યુઝ કરીએ છીએ? we are using the word, which word? the pronouns which I have told you, he, she, it, you, we and they. I also. Now let's see over here that Ram and Shyam are going to market. This we will keep the same. Then after over here we will cut this. We will not write over here Ram and Shyam again. Now instead of that, what we will write? Okay, they are playing. They are playing. Then after Ram and Shyam are studying. So again we will erase this. And what we will write? If they are studying and Ram and Shyam are watching TV. So again I will erase Ram and Shyam and I will write they are watching TV. So you can see that we have cancelled so many words. આપણે કેટલા બધા words cancel થઈ ગયા. And now it looks good also. Okay, continuously એક ને એક word repeat. Here two names were there. અહીંયા તો ચલો બે જ names હતા. વધારે names હોય તો it will be so big na to read also each and every time to read those names. So if we will replace it with they, it will be more convenient. That Ram and Shyam are going to market, they are playing, they are studying, they are watching TV, right? Now students, આપણે લોકો I છે, we are using such words. As I told you, the pronouns, right? I, he, she, it, you, we and they. Now how you are going to use that pronouns? I कब यूज करोगे आप? जब आप अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हो, यानी कि मैं, राइट? मैं. जब आप अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हो students, when you are talking about yourself, at that time you will use I यानी कि मैं. Then after you, for example, if I say for I am going to market, I am studying, I am reading book, यानी कि मैं मार्केट जा रही हूँ, मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. So I, मैं. अब यहाँ पे आता है you. तो you का मीनिंग तुम. तुम ऐसा मत करो. You should not do this. You should behave properly in the class. तुम्हें क्लास में अच्छे से पेश आना है. You should obey all the rules. तुम सारे रूल्स को फॉलो करो. You should do this. You should complete your homework. तुम अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करो. सो जब तुम, यू का मीनिंग तुम, सो जब ऐसा कोई आप पॉइंट आउट करते हो देन वी विल यूज यू। देन आफ्टर वी यानी कि हम सब। अगर मैं आपको बोलती हूं, इफ आई एम सेइंग दैट के वी आर गोइंग टू वॉच द मूवी, यानी कि हम सब लोग आज मूवी देखने वाले हैं। कोई आप सब में से कोई एक व्यक्ति सभी के बारे में जो बोलता है, अब उस समय हम वी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट मी गिव यू मोर एग्जाम्पल्स दैट वी आर गोइंग टू द मार्केट, यानी कि हम सब लोग आज मार्केट जा रहे हैं। आप सब लोग एक वन बाय वन नहीं बोलेंगे, आप सभी के अलावा मैं एक ही बोल रही हूं कि हम सब लोग आज जाने वाले हैं। सो यानी कि आप सब के बिहाफ पर मैंने ही बोल दिया वी, हम सब लोग, राइट। सो वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले अ गेम, हम सब लोग आज गेम खेलने वाले हैं। जब हम सब आता है, at that time we are going to use we. Okay? Now the next, that is they. यानी कि वे सब, they यानी कि वे सब। For example, they are playing. So what over here we have said? We have said that they over there they are playing, कि वहां पे जो लोग हैं वो लोग खेल रहे हैं, वे लोग खेल रहे हैं, वे सब लोग खेल रहे हैं, हम नहीं, वे लोग। यहाँ पे आप खड़े हो और वहां पे कोई दूसरा ग्रुप है जो वो खेल रहा है, ग्रुप मोर देन वन पर्सन है, प्लूरल फॉर्म बेटा, they means plural form, okay? They is used for plural. Now, as I told you, okay, they are studying. वे लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, means वहां पे जो लोग हैं वो सब पढ़ रहे हैं। They are fighting, means वहां पे जो लोग हैं वो लोग लड़ रहे हैं, वे लोग हैं। So वो हम किसी और को पॉइंट आउट करके बोलते हैं। For that time we are using they, यानी कि वे सब जो है वो लड़ रहे हैं। I hope कि તમને લોકોને માઇન્ડમાં ક્લિયર થાતું હશે કે what I am saying just now, right? Now let's see the next word, that is it. It we are using for non-living things or animals. Non-living things or else animals. Non-living things means which does not have lives in them, કે જેનામાં જીવ નથી. જો non-living things, chair, table, this marker, right? So we are using it. આપણે it છે એના માટે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ. And animals, for animals also we are using it. I hope that everything is getting clear in your mind. તમને લોકોને ક્લિયર થાતું હશે માઇન્ડમાં, right? Now the next is he. He means कोई वह लड़का, यानी कि he is a good boy, वह लड़का जो है वो गुड है। He is very smart, वह जो लड़का है वो बड़ा स्मार्ट है, राइट? He is reading, वह लड़का वो जो पढ़ रहा है। हम उसे वो लड़के को पॉइंट आउट करके बोलते हैं, हम अपने बारे में नहीं बोल रहे, हम उस लड़के को पॉइंट आउट करके बोलते हैं। At that time we will use he, and he we are using for singular, okay? जब हम कोई एक व्यक्ति की बात कर रहे हैं उस समय हम लोग he का इस्तेमाल करेंगे। Now the next is she, that is वह लड़की। कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, वह लड़की, शी इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, वह लड़की जो है वो बहुत सुंदर है। शी इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, वह लड़की जो है वो बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट है। सो यहाँ पे मैंने खुद मैं लड़की हूँ तो मैं मेरी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ। यहाँ पे मैं जो आई एम पॉइंटिंग आउट द गर्ल, मैं जो लड़की है उसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ। इफ आई से दैट श्रेया इज अ गुड गर्ल, राइट, तो श्रेया के बारे में जब मैं बोल रही हूँ देन आई विल से शी इज अ गुड गर्ल। शी, वह लड़की जो है वो गुड है। अब आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा, शी इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर सिंगुलर only. So these are the pronouns that you have to learn. Now students, let's have a recap that I यानी कि मैं, जब मैं मेरे बारे में बात कर रही होती हूँ तब मैं I का यूज करूंगी। I love to dance, मुझे डांस करना पसंद है, right? I am writing on the board, मैं यहाँ पे बोर्ड पे लिख रही हूँ। So यहाँ पे मैं मेरे बारे में ही बात कर रही हूँ। So I have used I. Then after you. You means तुम। You are not behaving well in the class. तुम क्लास में अच्छा बिहेव नहीं कर रहे हो। See, you are doing this. You are doing that. तुम ये कर रहे हो, तुम वो कर रहे हो। So जब हम तुम किसी को point out, तुम ये करो, right? जब हम ऐसा बोलते हैं तब हम you का यूज करेंगे। Then after we, यानी कि हम सब, आप सभी में से कोई एक आके मुझे बोलता है कि हम सब ने आज होमवर्क नहीं किया है दीदी, यानी कि we all have not done the homework, हम सब ने, right? और आप बोल रहे हो कि दीदी we all have done the homework, यानी कि हम सब ने होमवर्क किया है। सो यहाँ पे कोई एक आके मुझे पूरे क्लास के बारे में जब बताता है और पूरे ग्रुप के बारे में बताता है, at that time we are using we, यानी कि हम सब लोग, हम सब। After that they, यानी कि वे सब means they have not done this, वे सब लोगों ने नहीं किया है ये। They are fighting with us, वे सब लोग हमारे साथ लड़ रहे हैं, वे सब, यानी कि they, right? जब हम किसी को बारे में, हमने यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल देखा था, राम एंड श्याम आर स्टडिंग, तो हमने they लिखा कि they, वे लोग जो है वो पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। उसके साथ मैं नहीं थी, अगर मैं होती तो मैं क्या यूज करती? Then I used to use we, कि हम लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। पर यहाँ पे तो मैं राम और श्याम की बात कर रही थी, तो फिर मैंने क्या यूज किया था? Then after it, यानी कि नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स या एनिमल्स के लिए जब हम यूज करते हैं प्रोनाउन, तो हम इट का यूज करेंगे। It is my pen, ये मेरी पेन है, right? After that, I will give you some more example for that, okay? Now he means वह लड़का, हम किसी बॉय को पॉइंट आउट करके बोलते हैं और वो सिंगुलर है, then we are using he, यानी कि वह लड़का जो है वो ये कर रहा है, he is doing that, he is doing this. So वह लड़का, for boy, लड़के के बारे में, बॉय के बारे में when we are speaking, at that time we will use he. Then afterwards she means कोई गर्ल, कोई लड़की के बारे में जब हम बात कर रहे होते हैं, at that time we will use she, और वो भी सिंगुलर में हो तब ही। अगर प्लूरल में हो जाएगा तो क्या आ जाएगा? they. So वह हम कोई लड़की के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो he, लड़की के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो she. Now students, if you want to copy this down in your book, then I am giving you 2 minutes. You just copy it down, okay? Now, I hope that you all have copied this thing. Now, let me give you some other examples of this. if I say that Yash is a good boy, then after I am saying that Yash likes to play. Then after I am saying that Yash loves eating ice cream. So, students, over here you can see I have used the word Yash. Yash is a noun, right? वो कोई व्यक्ति का नाम है, यानी कि noun is a naming word, so ये naming word हो गया. So, now to avoid this repetition of this word, और यहाँ पे हम एक की बात कर रहे हैं, यश is a good boy, यश good boy है, यश likes to play, यश को खेलना पसंद है, वे लड़के को खेलना पसंद है, उस लड़के को खेलना पसंद है, यश loves eating ice cream, उसे ये आइसक्रीम खाना बहुत पसंद है. हम यश की बात करें और वो एक ही है यश यहाँ पे, तो हम यश के प्लेस पर क्या यूज करेंगे? Yes, I know that you know the answer, but let me write over here that he likes to play, he loves eating ice cream. अब यहाँ पे हमने यश की जगह पर प्रोनाउन यूज कर लिया. यश एक बार हम यूज कर सकते हैं, उसके बाद to avoid that repetition of the same word again and again we have done this, that is Yash is a good boy, he likes to play, he loves eating ice cream. I hope કે હવે તમને માઇન્ડમાં ક્લિયર થાય છે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ. Now let's see the next example. That is, Drashti is my best friend. Then afterward, Drashti likes swimming. Then afterwards I am writing Drashti is fond of sweets. Now students, here I have written Drashti is my best friend, Drashti likes swimming, Drashti is fond of sweets. So you can see over here कि दृष्टि जो है वो एक गर्ल का नाम यहाँ पे इंडिकेट करता है, राइट? सो दृष्टि इज अ गर्ल, तो मैं क्या बोला? दृष्टि इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड, दृष्टि मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, मेरी अच्छी दोस्त है. देन दृष्टि लाइक्स स्विमिंग, दृष्टि को स्विमिंग अच्छा लगता है. देन आई हैव रिटन दृष्टि इज फॉन्ड ऑफ स्वीट्स, कि उसे स्वीट्स बहुत पसंद है. अब यहाँ पे मुझे दृष्टि जो वर्ड है उसका रिपीटेशन नहीं करना है, तो मैं दृष्टि की प्लेस पर क्या यूज करेंगी? और दृष्टि तो एक ही है. यस, यू आर राइट स्टूडेंट्स, आई नो कि दृष्टि के प्लेस पर हम शी यूज करेंगे. वी विल राइट शी बिकॉज वो एक गर्ल है. शी इज फॉन्ड ऑफ स्वीट्स, दृष्टि इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड, शी लाइक्स swimming, she is fond of sweets. Right? Now let's see another example. The next example, that is dog is barking. Then after, dog protects our house. Dog protects our house from thieves. यानी कि मैंने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है कि dog is barking. Dog जो है वो bark कर रहे हैं. Then after, dog protects our house from thieves. यानी कि dog जो है वो हमारे घर का ख्याल रखते हैं. किन लोगों से? Thieves यानी कि चोर. चोर से वो हमारे घर को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं कि अगर कोई आए तो उसे वो आने ना दे. They will start barking. So now here I have used dog 2 times. So one time it is okay, dog is barking. Now for the second time I don't want to use the word dog. अब मुझे यहाँ पे dog का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है. तो मैंने क्या बोला था कि नॉन लिविंग थिंग और एनिमल्स के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? We will use it. Yes. So it protects our house from thieves. So students, I hope that you have understood the concept of pronoun. That is, pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. कि pronoun एक ऐसा word है जो noun के place पर हम use करते हैं to avoid the repetition of the same word again and again. कि जो वो same word है उसका repetition बार बार ना हो, इसके लिए हम ये pronoun का use करते हैं. Right? As in the word also itself is saying pronoun. So in the pronoun, which pronouns we have learned? We have learned the pronouns I, you, we, they, he, she and it. हमने इतने pronouns learn किए, right? अब according to this, based on this, you will be given a worksheet which you need to solve. Okay? And still you have any doubt in the pronouns, then you can rewatch the video. यानी कि आप मेरा वीडियो फिर से देख सकते हो. And by seeing that video again, you will be cleared with your doubts. आपको अपने doubts clear हो जाएंगे. Okay students? Okay, till then.